Hi, we're EcoThree, a group of students from Poland, specifically from Poznań, and we'd like to tell you something more about electric and combustion cars. Have you ever wondered if electric cars can actually reduce air pollution? We're here to let you know. So let's start. Electric cars are generally more eco-friendly than traditional combustion cars. Right now in Poland, about 132,000 people own electric cars, compared to around 40 million who drive combustion cars. That shows there's still a long way to go, but the trend is growing. When we look at the production of CO2, electric cars also have a smaller environmental footprint over their lifetime. Of course, we have to look at some challenges as well. The number of charging stations is still relatively low, and disposing of batteries can be problematic if not handled correctly. It's important to know about those issues while considering buying an electric car, to choose what's best for our needs. Hybrid cars could be a great substitute. They combine advantages and disadvantages of both types, but we're focusing on electric cars here. Here are some reasons why electric cars are generally better than combustion cars. Electric car's engine is simpler, cleaner, and quieter than a regular engine. Electric cars have more durable brakes. They accelerate faster and more smoothly. You can charge them at home, which is more convenient, and it costs less than gasoline. The carbon footprint is 50% lower than combustion cars. Electric cars are practically emission-free. But remember that there are negative sides as well. They can be tricky when it comes to longer rides. Batteries are hard to utilize. Electric cars have a short range. The power grid in Poland is unstable. To really understand the difference between electric and combustion cars, we decided to calculate their CO2 emissions. Based on our data, an average combustion car emits about 2.82 tons of CO2 per year, assuming around 12,000 kilometers driven annually. In comparison, an electric car emits approximately 0.756 tons of CO2 per year. That means electric cars can reduce carbon emissions by around 50 to 70% over a year, so the difference is very clear. The emissions from combustion cars is almost 4 times higher than those from electric cars. We also collected weekly mileage data from our families. This helped us understand how often combustion cars are used and how much pollution they generate in everyday life, not just in theory. These results clearly show that switching to electric cars can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help fight climate change.
And remember,